All right, it's Coach Nate coming back at you once again, live in effect, live and direct. Rise and shine, rise and grind. Today's topic is without my dad. See, some topics and different things in your life that you constantly keep moving and avoiding, but they keep popping up and keep hitting you head on wherever you go. Well, I'm confronting the situation today. Without my dad, I didn't make it to the father and son picnic. Man, as bad as I wanted to go, without him, didn't seem like it was even worthwhile. But without my dad, I was able to walk onto the elementary basketball team. Starting point guard, lighting it up. Would have been nice to have him in the stands. But without him, I still was able to make the team and to move forward in that. So to continue on, making friends, understanding how life goes. Mom taught me a lot. Grandmoms taught me a whole lot. And then you hear things like, it's not possible for a woman to raise a man. One way or the other, this young man made it through. Graduated from high school without my dad. Pushed on, walked onto the campus of Eastern Michigan University. Excelled academically because in my mindset, I said, this is my chance to get out of the hood. This is my chance to put myself in a better position than where I was. You know, sometimes the hustle, the grind, and all of that, it wears on you to such a point you have to figure out what's your next move and making your next move your best move. How can you flourish in whatever state you in? So I give big props to all the single moms out there that's doing big things with their children, because I didn't lack in that area. But it's something about the mentality of growing up and having to be a young man, even in this society where they quote unquote hype it up so much. Oh, see, he came from a single parent family and this and that. You hear it over and over again. And it hits hard. It hurts. But at the same time, as I walked that stage at Eastern Michigan University and got that bachelor's degree, I felt great. Then as I matured and kept moving and striving, going harder than I've ever gone before, sometimes walking in places to where I didn't even want to go, but I knew that destiny was before me. It took time, but in my mind I said, you know what? Without my dad, I'm going to give my sons the things that I never had. So fast forward, I attend all their basketball games. My son played the trumpet. One played the trumpet, the other one played the trombone. I've been to their concerts. They've been horseback riding. Took them to swimming lessons. I was there when both of my sons, Seth and Josiah, were born in the delivery room. Without my dad, I was able to give my sons something that I never had. They've been to professional games, NBA, NFL games, college football, live in the arena, hanging out with their dad, doing those things that's necessary. So on my thought and my theme, without my dad, I'm encouraging all those brothers that came up in a single parent household to strive to do a much better than what your father did for you. You know, and I thank God, because I was like, man, look, that's the conversation I had. Since my biological not here, God, you my father, and I need that leading and I need that guidance. And he gave me that. So I walk in that. Now, I do have some role models that I extend myself to, and I appreciate with the utmost respect. My goddad, Clarence Campbell, has shown me so much, and I've grown so much. So I move forward in that. But without my dad, I was able to give my sons the things that I never had, and showing them the way, leading and guiding them, spending that time, having those conversations to where you can have those talks and they can understand. Like, look, man, it's going to be harder for you. You're going to have to do twice as much to get half as much. But those are the things you have to do. You got to build some work ethic in your mind. You got to step your game up a lot. You got to move forward. Don't always sit and wait and complain and expect somebody to give you something. You get on your own 2 feet and you go out there and get it. You can do it. Showing those things. But I'm going to say it like this.
"28 years behind, but well intended. You can't make up for time when you don't spend it. That's my daddy in the picture over there. That's him. And he never took me to the gym, never took me fishing, never took me to the ballpark. He mopped a few times. I think that's when he lost the heart. That's what she told me. I never ever saw it happen. But if I had 100 women, I'd be slapping and toe tapping, pleading the case, saying it's all love. Right after court, we put it back on the gloves. Mama broke camp, led the kids and went for self, saying everyday fighting isn't good for your health. Clean up your room and have a seat in your chair, cause your daddy, you will not find him here. Daddy's one of the many type of this kind, and now he's 28 years behind on birthday gifts and Christmas gifts. 28 years behind. 1970, birth from the womb with a deadbeat dad. They thought that I was doomed. From the womb to the tomb and the cradle to the grave, life was going down, but I will not complain. Deal with it, feel with it, always keep real with it. And if it's God's will for it, that means you'll get it. I don't speak for you, I speak for me, especially when it comes to the blessings of my G.O.D. He woke me up and set me on my way today. Good looking out, that gives me another chance to say that I'm thankful for the good and the bad memories that I possess and things that I've had, holding on to something in the past, giving a shout out to moms and saying, where are you, Dad? I needed you. At the father and son picnic, I was hoping we'd be with it so we could kick it. Instead of my dad, it was me and my book bag. Winston, uncle, the brother that my mama had. Showed me a few things, don't you know? But it was mainly mama and grandmama that helped me grow. Daddy moved much too slow, but I know how I feel if the album goes platinum, yo. All up in the place, all up in my face. I knew you could do it, son. Now cut through the chase. Well, dang, Dad, how about saying hi first? Now I get to see it, cause I've been getting paid for busting verses. What came first, the chicken or the egg? Reminded me of Shaq when his daddy came to bed. Cynthia Coop know the scoop when daddy comes around, picking up smells of success faster than a bloodhound. As a celebrity, thinking longevity in this society, what will be, so let it be. When daddy left, he never knew I would shine. Mama's doing fine. And you're how many years behind on birthday gifts and Christmas gifts? Too many years behind. So many years behind. How many years behind?
So many years behind. So that was some things that was in my heart that I had to write down to get it out. Because we get accused all the time of not being able to communicate our thoughts, not being able to speak our ideas. So I had to put my stuff down in the form of a rhyme. Like educational raps, USA.com. Hitting them hard like that. But without my dad, I was able to give my sons the things that I never had. And I suggest you do the same if you're in that position. And if you're not, don't put yourself in that position. But until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep me posted. Because I'm super excited about your future. Till next time, peace.